This here is the elevator at Barnes & Noble here at Oak Park Mall in Overland Park, Kansas. It's a Schindler. We have 3 30A fixtures. Let's go down to 1. Here we are at 1. Let's go back up to 2. Here we are at 2. Door closed doesn't work. Typical for Schindler elevators. Let's get a cab view. A very nice elevator. Here's the back door. This probably goes into like a staff area or something. Here's your position indicator with the cabinet here. There's a headphone jack here. I wonder what that's for. Here's your fire service controls and the phone. Here's your fixtures, standard HT 330A. There's your speaker. Let's go back up to 2. We're actually up here 2. My dumb self. We're already on 2. Let's go down to 1. Here we are at 1. Let's go back up to 2. For real this time. There it goes. And that's it.